Yeah, so welcome to this video. So today I'm going to be showing you a way that you can actually get a lot more sales in affiliate marketing. We're talking about 5 times, even 10 times more sales. Or if you've never had sales in affiliate marketing before, this is a way that you can actually make $2,000 every single month with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you exactly how you do this. So first we're going to go into here. So this is called Greyhound giveaways. So what is Greyhound giveaways? It basically shows you how to give something away for free. Now I know you're probably wondering, why would you want to give something away for free? But the way it works is it shows you how to build a funnel. A funnel is basically where someone is going to purchase something and then they're going to go through to what's called an upsell, which is like a second purchase or an additional bonus they want to buy. So the way this actually works is that you are going to give away a product for free, and then after they buy something for free, they're more inclined to purchase whatever product you might have later on, whether it's a high ticket item or low ticket item, something that's low cost or something that's high cost. That's going to be very possible for you. So instead of trying to struggle with trying to figure out exactly how to get your first sales in affiliate marketing, you need to do a strategy that actually works, that's been proven to make well over $1,000 every single day by Dawood, who does this method every single day. So this is just a little bit of his earnings in April of 2020. You can see here he's earning like $20,000 in just like the April month, which is crazy and pretty ridiculous, but this is a method that really does work. Now when you do get Greyhound giveaways, I want to help you on your journey of getting affiliate marketing going, getting your sales going. So I have 2 recommendations for you. If you want to learn a 100% easy method that takes a little bit longer, that uses Facebook to actually generate a passive income stream where you can actually start making sales, of any of these products and earning commissions, I'll recommend you click on this link that's down below in the description, the Empire method, which is a method that I also use to make money online with. But it's not my favorite method. My favorite method is actually using YouTube channel. So using my YouTube channel, I've actually managed to generate, see, all of these sales that I generated just in the start of May, around $500. This was just from me just uploading a few videos onto YouTube. Now one thing that I will do is, if you create 2 videos, or maybe even re-upload a video from someone else, obviously with a permission, or a product video, like a demo video, like one of these videos for product launch, I will send traffic to 2 of your videos to help you to have a chance of getting sales. And I will do this from my premium sources. I have a lot of followers on Pinterest. I have good traffic coming from all different kinds of areas, and I will send 2 of your videos that high quality traffic. So you're gonna get views, you're gonna get likes, and this is exclusive to me, and I'll do this for you for 2 of your videos. And then what I also do as my second bonus is actually design a channel art for you, along with a profile picture and an optimization for that channel. So I'll do just like I do for all my YouTube channels, and then I'll also show you a tutorial of how to get 100,000 traffic on Pinterest automatically, and how you can set it and leave it and forget it. It's all going to be completely hands-free. And then I'll also show you my other bonus here, is how you can get tier 1 traffic. So the tier 1 traffic is pretty much buyer traffic, people who are willing to purchase maybe like a product for like $1 or $10 or anything like that. I'll show you how to get that buyer traffic so you can get your affiliate marketing business going. So that's my other bonus. And then my 5th bonus will be how to get to 1,000 subscribers in 30 days, an exact video blueprint where I'm going to show you how to do that. And you can even automate this process and pretty much just automate it and leave it for like a month, and you can gain like 900 additional subscribers in less than 1 month. I'll show you how to do that. Then I'll also show you how you can use any of these bonuses. If you're not sure how to use them, I'll give you one-to-one guidance with that. And then I'll also show you how to create a YouTube video intro and animation without the need of any paid software or anything like that. I'll show you how to do that for free, and I'll show you how to create a landing page that looks just like this one without using anything like ClickFunnels. I don't use ClickFunnels at all. I've never used it at all, and I use pretty much, a lot of my methods are free methods, that still help you to make a lot of money, but then they still look decent. So I'll show you everything like that as well, along with helping you to get your first sale in affiliate marketing. I'll show you exactly what I do so you can kind of replicate it and see if you can get sales, and I'm sure you will be able to, you know, make some sort of success from this. It's not hard to do. I can do it, and I literally have never really got consistent affiliate sales before, but now I've started to, because I've just kind of wigged at it, and I've used kind of my traffic sources that I'll give you as a bonus here. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you do get Greyhound giveaways so you can see how you can make passively $2,000 a month without pretty much putting much effort in. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next one. See ya.